Hi, I'm Aiden.
And I'm Alaina.
And today we are standing in front of the Cedar Grove Iron Furnace in Linden, Tennessee. It is one of the only remaining double-stack furnaces in Tennessee.
In 1832, Wallace Dixon built a single-stack charcoal furnace constructed from native limestone with interior handmade fire brick. A second stack was added in 1833, which used the hot blast method for smelting the iron ore. William Bradley and Company later purchased and operated the furnace, producing about 40 tons of pig iron per week. Operation of the furnace ceased in 1862 when federal gunboats lobbed cannonballs toward the furnace.
So right here we have an underground stream, about, let's say, 60 or so feet away from the iron furnace. It looks like it's a freshwater spring. It just kind of goes down in here like this. I'm guessing this is probably where everybody got their water at and drunk water. I do know over there's a creek where they ended up dumping a lot of their wasteful materials. Okay, so as you can see down here along this dried up creek bed, there's a bunch of these black rocks that's where the basically the wastefulness of the iron furnace. It's just where the rocks underneath it that was not iron just kind of melted and turned into more of like a glass-like rock. They are pretty neat looking and kind of has like a smooth glass-like touch. So they're really hard, but glass rocks is basically all this is. So to me, it's kind of crazy that all of this is almost a decade away from being 200 years ago and just 200 years old. So all of this rock formation, this has been sitting in that creek for roughly almost 200 years. It's just crazy to me that not all of this has been picked over yet. Like, it's still here 200 years later.
And somebody's waste is something so beautiful.
I mean, it really is a nice rock. But yeah, this structure, almost 200 years old. It's crazy. And now that concludes our trip to the Cedar Grove Iron Furnace. Stick around for the next episode.